Imagine waking up tomorrow and there's cash sitting in your brokerage account. You didn't sell any shares, you didn't really do anything, but the stocks that you already owned, they just paid you. That's not a fantasy, that's a covered call. And once you see how it works, you'll probably never look at 100 shares of stock the same again. Let me show you exactly how. Here's the situation. You already own 100 shares of a company that you believe in and are planning to hold a while anyways. Perfect. That's all you need. A covered call is surprisingly simple. You agree to sell your shares at a higher price and someone pays you today for making that offer. Let's say someone pays you $85. The moment you sell that covered call, that $85 lands in your account. Nothing about the stock changed, the company didn't pay a dividend, and the price didn't have to go up. You simply got paid for making an offer you were already happy to make. Think about owning a rental house. You still own the property and your name is on the deed, but every month someone pays you rent to use it. Well, a covered call is a lot like that. You're collecting premiums from stocks you already own. By the time the option expires, one of two things usually happens. If the stock stays below your strike price, you keep your shares and you keep the premium. If the stock rises above your strike price, your shares are sold at the price you agreed to, and you still keep the premium. Either way, the premium is yours. And that's the part most people never notice. You buy, you get paid. You wait, you get paid. And then you sell, you get paid, and repeat. Once you start thinking like this, you'll stop asking, how can I make money if the stock doesn't move? Instead, you'll start asking yourself, how can my portfolio pay me while I wait? Now, there is one catch, and I would never skip it. If you sell a covered call, you're agreeing upon a selling price. So if the stock suddenly takes off, you will not participate in every dollar of that move. That's the trade-off. You exchange some potential for upfront cash today. That's why I only sell covered calls on stocks that I'm genuinely happy to sell at that price. Think of it like choosing a steady rental income instead of hoping to win the lottery. Covered calls are actually step 2 of what's called the wheel strategy. Step 1 is getting paid before you ever even buy the stock. If you haven't watched that video yet, it's linked right below this one. And if you're interested in building monthly cash flow, then subscribe. Every week, I'm running a real portfolio showing every trade, every loss, every premium collected, and every lesson. I'll see you in the next one.